What are the attachments on the ulna? The triceps is inserted into the posterior part of the superior surface of the olecranon. The anterior part of the surface is covered by a bursa. The brachialis is inserted into the anterior surface of the coronoid process, including the tuberosity of the ulna. The supinator arises from the supinator crest and from the triangular area in front of the crest. The ulnar head of the flexor digitorum superficialis arises from the tubercle at the upper end of the medial margin of the coronoid process. The ulnar head of the pronator teres arises from the medial margin of the coronoid process. The flexor digitorum profundus arises from the upper of the anterior and medial surface shaft, the medial surface of the coronoid and olecranon processes, and the posterior border of the shaft through an aponeurosis, which also gives origin to the flexor carpi ulnaris and the extensor carpi ulnaris. The pronator quadratus takes origin from the oblique ridge on the lower part of the anterior surface. The flexor carpi ulnaris arises from the medial side of the olecranon process and from the posterior border. The extensor carpi ulnaris arises from the posterior border. The anconeus is inserted into the lateral aspect of the olecranon process and the upper one-fourth of the posterior surface. The lateral part of the posterior surface gives origin from above downwards to the abductor pollicis longus and the extensor pollicis longus and the extensor indicis. What are the other attachments? The intraosseous membrane is attached to the intraosseous border. The oblique cord is attached to the lateral side of the tuberosity. The capsular ligament of the elbow is attached to the margin of the trochlear notch, that is, to the coronoid and the olecranon processes. The annular ligament of the superior radioulnar joint is attached to the two margin of the radial notch of the ulna. The ulnar collateral ligament of the wrist is attached to the styloid process. The articular disc of the inferior radioulnar joint is attached by its apex to a small rough area just lateral to the styloid processes.